What is a landing page? Landing page is when you surf the internet and you're looking for a product or service, your potential buyer, your potential customer is going to come to your website. And what he sees there as the first part is your landing page. It technically lands on your page. And it's essential that the first 3 seconds that somebody looks at that page are key for a person to decide if they will continue, if they're interested, if they potentially would want to buy. So what does that need, that first 3 seconds? Well, it needs a picture or an image of what that person is looking for or what that person is doing himself. The second thing is it needs a value proposition. It needs to say there are only 2 things. Either you're going to increase the revenue or you're going to cut costs. So it needs the value proposition of your offering. What do you have as impact for that person? And the third essential thing is it needs social proof. Social proof can be many things. Sometimes you see logos of big companies, but sometimes you see things like featured by that magazine. And sometimes social proof can just be a face of somebody saying, I love this product, you need to buy it. So a landing page is crucial to get attention and to get conversion of people wanting to buy your product. So and actually to get interest.